Shoplifters often assume they won't get caught and tend to ignore the potential consequences. But what happens when shoplifters get caught by cops red-handed and have to face the punishment?
I'm on the ground. I'm not going to use force on you. You guys are a disgrace. And I am going to tell the President of the United States. Oh!
Here are two of the craziest reactions of shoplifters getting caught, starting with by far the most controversial of them two. This is Rakia Ray Spillers, who was lurking around the restroom. Workers were suspicious and had their eyes on her from the cameras. Eventually, they noticed that Ray was shoplifting. The manager reported this to the police, but when the officers arrived, things did not go as planned.
Wilson, Olivia Police Department, you're being detained right now. You're not free to leave.
Why?
Can you come here, please?
No.
Don't go out that door.
It is an emergency.
You're under arrest for trespass.
No.
You're under
No,
arrest
I'm
for
not.
trespass.
I'm not under arrest.
Stop.
I'm not under arrest. I'm not under arrest.
Resist.
I'm not under
Do
arrest.
not resist
I'm
me.
not under arrest. I'm not under
Victoria,
arrest.
hiding one. Get down.
I'm not under
Down on
arrest.
the ground. I'm not going to use force on you. You're under arrest for resisting arrest. Stay here. Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground.
No.
Do not fight me. Do not fight me. Stay on the ground. Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Stay on the
I'm
ground.
royalty. They said I could have anything
Okay.
free. They said I could.
Stay on the
I'm not
ground.
under arrest.
Stay on the ground.
I'm not under arrest.
Stay on the ground.
Get off of me! Get off of me!
We need to get her on her
Get off of me! Get off of me! Get I just had to go to the bathroom.
We want to go on their side.
They gave me the universal.
Take a breath.
No, he's hurting my ankle. And you don't even look. This is why you guys are a disgrace. And I am going to tell the President of the United States. Because that is who I'm in contact with.
You're being
You.
audio and video recorded.
Fuck you. It's not recording. It's Lily's fault. I'm the one who was helping. I'm not a liar. No imposters. I'm not a liar. Please, no. No. Ow. I'm not working against you guys. Ow, my leg. My right leg. My left leg. Oh my god, get her away from me.
The other side?
Please get away from me.
Other side's good.
Please get away from me. No.
You have the helmet.
That one's hurting. That one's on tight. Too tight. Please don't. I had a vision. Please don't do this to me right now. Can you help my leg, please?
Press that. Go off.
Why are you doing this to me? The president said I didn't have to do. Said I didn't have to go. I wouldn't go to jail anymore for the rest of my life, and it wasn't lying because of what happened to me. Please, there's rat in the air. You can't do this to me because there's rat in the air. I mean, you just can you stop? Come on.
Okay.
You guys don't even notice when you're being hypnotized. Please give me. You guys. This is Vincent McLean Sanders too. No, I'm not. This isn't my fault. You said I wasn't going to go to jail for the rest of my life. Oh my god. Why are you doing this to me? Please stop. Please let me go. I'm not supposed to go to jail. And they promise. It's not a lie. You were hypnotized in a way because of those girls. Now put me down and let me go, please. That's what happened.
Yeah.
No. I'm not supposed to go to jail. President of the United States said that I wouldn't have to go to jail for the rest of my life because of what I did for this place.
In the end, Spillers was forcefully escorted to the police cruiser and arrested on suspicion of third-degree assault, second-degree burglary, and resisting arrest. But these offenses were minor compared to these two individuals, seen purchasing a Halloween costume at Walmart on September 25th, 2022. At the start, it seemed harmless, but one of the employees discovered that they had 2 duffel bags filled with store merchandise that they had no intention of paying for. Fortunately, an employee noticed the 2 suspicious customers in time and alerted the police officer to stand outside the entrance, waiting to catch them red-handed.
How's it going? We can go in here and talk. We're gonna walk in there. Stop. Do it. It is just today, 10:18. Stop fighting. You're gonna get tased. Lay down. Stay down. Watch.
Fucking stop now! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Put your fucking hands behind your back! Hurry up! Let me talk to you. Get the fuck on the ground. This guy out there. You're making me do. You. Listen.
977. Mainly on the west side of Walmart.
Hey, look, let me tell you something.
Put your fucking hands behind your back!
It's a party one. Hey, please. Hey, please.
Which way you go? Yep.
Go. I want you to listen to me.
Put your fucking hand behind your back!
Hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back!
Look, I want to tell you this.
You've been following back and forth with this guy. Go. I know you're with him.
Keys.
Leave.
Okay, I pay for my shit. I got money in my fucking pocket.
Leave.
All right.
You can walk around and away.
Touch me too, bitch. Fuck wrong with you, ho? I'm telling my girlfriend to get his car keys.
He was with him. That's why.
Yeah.
You need to walk away from me, man. You need to
I'm
go.
waiting for my girlfriend, man.
You staying right with me everywhere I go.
Oh, I'm fucking going this way, motherfucker. Get my fucking girlfriend for the car keys. What's wrong with you, man?
You want him in the store? You want him in the store?
No, it's trespassing.
Just come outside because we're gonna make a bit. Why?
Because we're done with you.
Hey, look, I'm calling my girlfriend. Hey, look, I'll resist, man. Look.
Go on the fucking ground.
Rosario, they got me right here in the front. They're handcuffing me too.
Stop.
Get on the ground. They're right here. Just come, Rosario. I'm gonna grab his car keys.
They both, in the end, get detained and are taken back to the patrol vehicle. During a search of the man's pockets, a collection of pills and powders is found on him and confiscated. Both men are hit with a felony shoplifting charge, as well as a conspiracy to shoplift, while the other guy is also charged with 2 counts of drug trafficking. However, on the 21st of November of the same year, all charges are dropped against both suspects. If you like this video, watch this one, and don't forget to like and subscribe.